Hey everyone, welcome back to another FRED tutorial. My name's Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to integrate keywords into your optical designs. So let's take, for example, an LCD projector like we have here. And looking at it, you can see we have a lot of optical components. So we have a lot of lenses, we have a lot of mirrors. And what we might want to do is we might want to just change the coding properties and the ray trace control properties on just the lenses. So instead of doing this one by one, what we can do is we can go down to the keywords folder. We can right click and select add keyword. After we've done that, we can change the name of our keyword. And here I'm going to change mine to be lens element. Now we can see it's visible under the keywords folder. So what we want to do to apply this is we're going to hold Control and we're going to select all of our lenses. And then we're going to go down to where the keyword is. And we're going to right click and assign keyword to highlighted items. And now when I scroll over, you can see each of the lenses now have lens element applied to them. And now that they have lens element applied to them, what I can do is instead of dragging and dropping my coding onto each of the individual lenses, what I can do is I can just drag and drop, and I can say I want all my lenses to have a transmit coding, drag and drop it onto the lens element, and then opening up the surface, we can now see that the coding type is transmit, and it'll be like that for each of the lenses that have applied the keyword lens element. And there you go. As always, CVS is here to help support all FRED users, and keep an eye out for more helpful content just like this.